Hi, so I'm Brad from Electrolux, Training Development Chef. I'm here today to introduce the Trinity Pro range to you. Totally new from Electrolux Professional. Okay, so Trinity Pro range is 3 different types of machines. So there's 3 families within the Trinity Pro range. First one we're going to talk about are the food processors slash cutters. Okay, so you have the food processors in 3.6 litre, which is this one here. You have single speed, you have variable speed. You also have the option of a 2.6 litre stainless steel bowl, also in single speed or variable speed. Single speed at 1500 RPM. The variable speed goes all the way up to 3600 RPM. Okay. And what is unique about this machine, so you buy the machine with one size bowl, you also have the option to buy the other size bowl. So if you bought a machine with a 3.6 litre size bowl, you can buy a 2.6 litre bowl as an accessory. There is also another accessory, which I'm going to demonstrate today, of a 2.6 litre plastic bowl. Okay. So the stainless steel is great because it's more hard wearing, can take a bit more of a beating, but the plastic bowl also has its advantages. As you can see, everything that's going inside of the machine, so it gives you total control, especially when you're cutting things like herbs or you're doing purees. All of the parts of these machines are dishwasher safe. All the parts that are in contact with food are dishwasher safe and can be completely disassembled for super hygienic cleaning. Very easy to use. So I'm going to make some guacamole. So the avocados go in. So yeah, up to 3600 RPM. Okay, turn that down a sec. So you can see the real advantage of the scraper is when the machine operates, all the food gets thrown all over the lid and the side. With the scraper, you can see it takes away a lot of manual labour, as in when the food goes all over the bowl, I don't have to take the lid off, manually scrape it and then start again. I can just constantly go. And then you have a little hole at the top for adding extra ingredients. Okay, so then makes it really easy to do things like emulsifications, mayonnaises, béarnaises, pestos, etc. Okay, so that's the food processor option. There's another family within the range of veg slicers. Okay, which would look like this. Again, single speed or variable speed. Okay. So a range of 22 discs within the range. Most of them are stainless steel, so again, dishwasher safe. You have, in this machine, you have 3 hoppers. You have the moon hopper there, the large hopper there, and then a new feature, which we'll cut some chilies in a minute, you have an extra small hopper. Okay, so the large hopper goes in here. Okay, so nice and easy, gives you a nice even result, super quick to do. Okay. You have the long hopper, the carrots, some nice sliced carrots or sliced potatoes, cucumbers. Then you have the extra small hopper if you want to do things like chilies. Okay. Or pickles or spring onions. Okay, so lots of little bits of chili in there. Okay, so super easy to do, very much time saving. Okay. So we're going to do some dicing of some tomatoes and onions. Just want to explain a little new feature, a patented feature of the machine before we do so. So traditionally, when you slice vegetables, you push the lever down, and then as the food gets processed, you create a little gap here, which then causes the veg to jump around on top of the blade and gives you more bits. But now they've come up with a 2-step solution. So you bring this up, you pull this down, and that goes then vertically. So pushing straight down onto the veg gives you a much better, faster, more even cut. I'll demonstrate that by doing something which is traditionally quite difficult to dice, especially for a machine, some tomatoes. Okay, press the go. And away you go. So if I was to do this by hand, 3 or 4 kilos of tomatoes, it's going to take me at least 20 minutes, half an hour. With this, you can literally process kilos and kilos in minutes. Okay, and you also get a very, very good end result. Okay, and another difficult thing to do with dicing, onions, bane of every chef's life, horrible job to do. Okay, takes forever. But now, just chuck a ball in this machine. Go. You can dice kilos of onions in seconds. Okay, that's that. So, great results, nice and easy, compact machine, has an ergonomic certificate, the only prep machine with an ergonomic certificate due to how easy it is to use, how easy the control panel is to use. The patented lever means you're using it from the front rather than the left or the right hand side, so less strain on the operator. Okay, so you have in the range the food processors, the veg slicer, or this particular unit here is a combined unit. So if you're just looking for a food processor, you have a couple of options. If you're looking for the veg slicer, you have the option of a single speed or a variable speed. If you're looking for both, rather than buying 2 different types of machine, you can buy one machine and you can have a veg slicer and a food processor with 2 different types of bowl.